200 grams at
I don't
Airpod.
have none.
Nope.
I seen a picture of the Chronic.
200 grams back in stock.
Oh yeah, he'll be all for it about that.
Oh, he's gonna be angry. 200 grams in stock. It's going fast. Ghost. That's a pretty nice one. Silent Hill. Nightcrawler Double Bubble. On Cannon. Maybe some pricing here. $14. $20. Cabo is $10. 17 for Double Bubble. On Cannon is 20. Over here, Nightcrawler. Rebellion for 17. Weasel for 10. Good pricing. And there should be more coming in the next few days. We got more. Oh yeah, he's got all the Saturn missiles, Roman candles, big candles. Got all the good shit. And some of this stuff was in the last video, but there's a few new ones. Huckleberry. A few more Agents of Boom in the back. Jungle Cat. Mobsters. We got some more shells in. Marvelous, but hardcore. We got some Forza. 49. It's 120. 40 shells, 58 breaks. Bling Bangs. Got some Mercenaries in. Got a few of the Nashikis. Tiger Tails. Tiger Tails going for 32. Besides, got Bandicoot back in. Made in America, which I have a demo on that. It was great. Fire Thief was another good one this year. Got Blastia back in. Burning Man by Hardcore is a good one. Burning Man is going for 40. And the Jellyfish. Back around here. Got plenty of shells for now, Excaliburs. High Velocity Super 7-inch. FCUKs. Going for 89. Ghost Fingers. We got some Whomping Willows in here. Got more of this stuff in. Everyone likes these. Got Extreme Machines in. You got more Deadpools. My last video I posted Deadpools. They all sold out that night. So he's got some more that just came in. Pedro's. This big son of a bitch. Planet X. This thing is massive. Bounty Hunter. That's a big 10-shot cake. Anomaly. Planet X. 54 shots. Little assortment. One Bad Mother. Got Atomic, Happy Family. Got that one in. Under Construction. Afterglow. That came in. Kill Bill came in. Commander in Chief. Minor 49er came in. Phoenix Returns. I'm told this is the same as Banshee. There you go with that. Got some of those. Hoodoos. Mazikeen is an awesome shot. Hardcore. It's got Dragon Glass in. Everyone's been asking about this. Got Dragon Glass. Chief last year. We'll walk to the other side real quick. There's fountains, firecrackers. We walk to the other side of the store. Got small 200 grams for $3. Couple little things. You got some 200 gram assortments here for $35. Pretty good. There's novelties. That's a reloadable parachute. It's pretty cool. Just more novelties, poppets. Come over here. Pedro. Got a couple. Assortments are hard to get this year, but he's got a couple of them. Got this big one. So you got a bigger view of it. A couple small assortments, not a lot. Yeah, he's got radioactives. It's pretty good. He's got a few things. Apollo, a couple more. Economy cakes are on the cheaper side, $20. Magic Band, and then just sparklers. And so I'll try to put up a new update as soon as more stuff comes in. As it comes in, I'll be posting it up. Come shop, get it early before it's all gone.